Hi, I'm Dawn and this is where Shabby meets Bling. Today's project focuses on that beautiful, beautiful old brick wall. If you've ever watched my channel, you know I love signs. I love big signs and I love signs that light up. And that being said, I've made a few. Like this one, for instance. This US Route 52 cafe sign was made by yours truly last year, and it is a large, and it also lights up. I also made this fabulous outdoor movie theater concession stand sign, which also lights up. I will leave the links to both of these videos in the description box in case you might want to make one of these very large signs that light up. I love big signs that light up so much. I've been to the Neon Museum twice. Some refer to the Neon Museum as the Neon Boneyard. It is in Las Vegas, Nevada, and it features signs from old casinos and other businesses, and it's displayed outside, which is really amazing. So as you see, neon has always been kind of a favorite of mine, even so much that at the end of a lot of my videos, I do a little exit with a neon flashing. One thing I've always wanted for this wall was to have a great big neon sign. I love the way neon looks on brick. And when I got the opportunity to design my own and have it fabricated, you better believe I grabbed it. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I designed this sign, and then I'm gonna show you it when it eventually gets to me, which I'm super excited about. This whole process is gonna be amazing. The company I'm working with is called BPS, Branded Promotional Solutions. So they make all kinds of promotional items, as you see here, from sweatshirts to pens, cups, sunglasses, and so on. But my eye is drawn directly to those neons. When I started scrolling down and seeing what they had available, I mean, they even have outdoor signs. And I'm telling you, I was tempted. I was tempted to leave behind that beautiful brick wall and think about outside, but I did not. They have custom templates available that you can edit with their online design program. I decided to go with something a little more unique, another graphic that I use to end some of my videos. This graphic. I started by jumping into Canva and searching for crests, just like you saw in my little end logo. And I came up with this one. It is very, very similar to what I use in my videos. I made it larger so it was easier to see. And then what you do is you simply add some text. If you remember, it had a big S and a large B in the middle for Shabby and Bling. So I scrolled over to add a heading. I just backed it up until I had one letter left. And then I changed that letter to an S. And then I made it larger and larger and larger until I got it the size I wanted. Then I proceeded to center it. Then I searched until I found the font I wanted. I added a border around it. I gave myself that little B in the middle for Bling. And then I added Shabby Meets Bling in the little banner. I presented their design department with the colors of neon that I wanted and also with the fonts that I had chosen. I did hear back from them very quickly. This was the beautiful mock-up they sent back to me. Because of how small my Shabby Meets Bling was, I had to choose from embossing or from a UV print instead of neon. I went with the embossing. These were the final details that were sent back to me. Now I just had to sit and wait as patiently as possible for that beautiful neon to arrive. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Take a look at what we've got here. Let's go open it. Let's go open it. I'm so excited. 2 first impressions. The size, how big it was, and how well it was packed. They had this thing packed, so tight, so secure that I just knew there's nothing gonna be wrong with this little baby. All right, let's take a look at this beauty. Wonder if I have it the right way. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's backwards. It's backwards. That's okay, right? We'll flip it. I love this cardboard. Ooh, I love this foam. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Look at that! It's beautiful. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's backwards, but that's okay. I'm gonna try to get it. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. I'm dropping stuff. It's so exciting. She's pretty heavy. She's pretty heavy. Hang on. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to light it up. Next time you see this beauty, it's going to be on my lovely brick wall. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Here's the big mess I made opening up that butte. I got a mess to clean up, you guys. But look at all the fun stuff I can use to make stuff with. Bonus, bonus. Okay. Since this thing is so gorgeous and it's going to be on my brick wall, I decided that maybe I should see if I could make part of it really stand out so that you don't lose my beautiful crest and that shabby S and that blingy B in the middle. So this is a temporary thing and this is just a trial. What I'm doing is I'm taking some brown packing paper and I am creating a template just out of paper all the way around my crest. And I will do the same. If I like the looks of this, I will do the same for the banner at the bottom where the Shabby Meets Bling banner is located. Now, if I like the looks of this, once it's complete, I will in the future turn around and cut my templates out of either a Luan or a real thin MDF to emulate like a rusty sign behind these two elements in my beautiful, beautiful neon sign. And now for a little paint. I am just using up old paint that I really needed to get rid of. This is from some of my gingerbread projects that happened over the past 6 months, maybe a year. And I need to use it up. And once I get this coated once, oh, and I also made those beautiful little cinnamon sticks out of this, if you remember. Once I use this up, then I will turn around and put a second coat on. And then, once it's dry, I may hit it with just one coat of spray paint to kind of make the whole thing a little firmer. And then I'll cut it out. And then we are gonna hang that gorgeous, gorgeous sign. Since my neon is rather large, it's a 40 by 37, I figured I better, look into the specifics on hanging this bad boy. They have a wide variety of sizes, and I chose a rather large one. Of course I did. It's really cool because you can hang these things on the wall or from the ceiling, a wide variety of ways to hang, but of course this is going on my beautiful brick wall. So by following the instructions, I laid out where I wanted my neon on my brick wall. I used simple painter's tape to mark the height of the table that sits on this wall and the width, so that way I could center it properly, and by using a couple of little construction lasers to define the borders of where I want my sign to hang. I then used a hammer drill and a hammer drill bit to attach the hardware to the wall. In the wall. I did not use a normal drill because I am not going in to drywall. Even mounting this onto a brick wall was surprisingly easy. So it's on the wall, but now I need to figure out how to work it. And this also was really easy, and so many levels of light that you can choose from. You can make it bright, 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 or not so bright. So let's take a look at my beautiful sign. So we all know what my brick wall looked like prior. And here it is. Here she is on the wall. And isn't it beautiful? Not even lit. It is gorgeous, but check that out. Check it out. There she is in full action. Look how bright you can get it. I mean, it is amazing. And it's quiet. You cannot hear a thing. It is low energy consumption and throws off no heat. Trust me, I had this thing up for a long time because I am so thrilled with it. I needed to see it, and over, a couple hours, still no heat, still no noise. And the lifespan of this beauty is 100,000 hours. So I'm going to be playing with this for a long time to come. Because I wanted the option of putting something behind my crest and my banner, I chose a clear backboard, but they have tons of colors to choose from, so you don't need to go clear, but I wanted the option, and the options are definitely available. I am totally in love with my neon sign, and I hope you like the looks of it too, and maybe give one a try because the design process was very easy. I will put the links for you to BPS and neon signs in my description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share it with your family and friends and anybody that loves neon signs. You can follow me on Instagram and check out my shop on Etsy. Leave me a comment. I would absolutely love to hear from you. A great way to support my channel is to subscribe, so don't forget to subscribe. But for now, this is Dawn with Shabby Meets Bling. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.